How to fix WhatsApp status not being shown. Hello everyone and welcome to Create, Login and Delete. So without further ado, let's jump into our topic. First of all, let's go to our WhatsApp app. Now, if you're not being able to see anyone's status or if your status is not being shown, then the first step that I'd like to recommend you to do is go to settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. Go to settings right here. And after I've been led to this page, go to privacy right here. And in the fifth option, you should see status. Click on that option. And here are some of the options, and these options show how many people or who can see your status. So right, this one, the first one is that all of your contacts will be able to see your status, right? The second one, you can just select the people from the contacts to whom you want to show your status. So you can just choose that and that should work. And the next thing to make sure is that you have the person in your contact list. If you don't have the person in your contact list, then it's pretty much sure that you cannot see their active status. And the same goes for them, for your account, right? If they don't have your contact in their contact list, then they cannot see your active status. So that's the thing to make sure about. And if these things don't work out, then there just might be a glitch in the system. So to fix that, let's go to our settings, slide down and go to general, and then go to iPhone storage. And after the page loads up, slide down and go to WhatsApp. And just click on offload app. Don't worry, this won't result in the deletion of your data, but it will just clear out the cache and it will just refresh the app, right? So that might fix the problem as well. So just offload the app and reinstall it back again. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.